You already made the smart decision to switch your production workflow to Riverside. Now let's make sure you hit the ground running. You're coming from an editor-first environment like Descript into a recording-first powerhouse like Riverside. To ensure a seamless transition and maximize your content output, here are the 10 most practical points you need to know about navigating yourself through the studio. Hello, I'm Mike Russell, a product evangelist for Riverside, and in this video I will go through 10 important considerations when making the switch from Descript to Riverside. Number 1, a streamlined interface. While Descript is definitely a competent editor, it can sometimes feel a little bit overwhelming and cluttered. Riverside is known for its super clean and easy to use interface, with all the menus tucked away over here to the right, which is easy. Buttons and tools are generally laid out here, so you've got a co-creator that you can chat to, you can look at tracks, you can look at AI tools, all neatly organized for you, minimizing friction that can slow you down in your creative process. Number 2 is dedicated remote recording quality. You are moving to a platform primarily built for seamless podcast recording. Riverside uses virtual rooms. Let me actually show you. If I go back to the start here, you'll see we have different studios. One just for a test, it seems. One for the greatest love of all podcasts, Creator Magic, my AI tools, and even my very own studio. They're all there, and they record the participants' video and audio locally to ensure the highest quality files. We're talking up to 4K video and waveform audio up to 48 kilohertz. It really is high-end stuff. So it will reduce the risk of reliability issues like dropping out clips and things like that with internet lag, choppiness, which have occasionally happened in some of the recording studios in other apps. You get a higher degree of confidence knowing that you're going to capture studio quality tracks from the start without worrying about how stable your internet or your guest's internet is. Number 3, it's mobile friendly. Unlike Descript, which lacks a mobile app, you'll see right here there is the Riverside app, which I can hit and open to enter my editing area and studio just like I would on the desktop. It's available for both iOS and Android mobile devices, and what do you gain? Well, you get the flexibility to record content with your guests on their phone, expanding options for on-the-go production. And the best thing is, your guests don't even need to have the Riverside app downloaded. You can just send them a link and they can join you in your studio. Number 4 is smooth video edits. Now, while Descript's filler word removal actually jump cuts your video, that can be quite jarring for the viewer. However, inside Riverside, they actually innovated a little bit and auto mute. So when there is a little filler word, as you can see represented here by this squiggle, let's play it.
Spiritual growth. I'm sure that it's...
Okay, so there was a filler word there, but you didn't hear it. There was no jump cut either, because Riverside did this amazing thing. It muted the filler word. So you didn't see any cutting at all. You just got a mute, which is really, really cool, leaving your video intact. So what do you gain? You can remove filler words and get increased perceived articulation without taking away from the visual authenticity of your conversation. And number 5 is live streaming and webinars. So I can actually create a project here. I'll go into my studio, and if events are part of your strategy, Riverside has a really good edge because it supports live streaming, including multi-streaming to multiple platforms. Just look at this. Live stream, I've got my YouTube account connected. I can enable that. I can also connect to my Facebook, my LinkedIn as well. So multiple platforms are selected and highlighted up here, ready for me to go live as I record my show. It allows you to host webinars, a feature that Descript does not offer, and you can do this all here from your browser. What do you gain? Well, you get a consolidated workflow allowing you to record and live stream professionally from just one studio, avoiding the complexity of external software such as OBS Studio. As for pricing, well, there's a plan for everything. You can start off with Pro, or you can upgrade to the Live plan or even Webinar plan to get live streaming and webinar hosting for you. Number 6, smart social media clips. Riverside automatically makes magic clips after you complete your recording. You don't have to do anything. They're just made for you, short form segments ready for editing like these. And they're auto-populated and even titled, so you can literally share them straight out. Now, if you want to go in, you can click edit. It will take you through to an editor with the exact clips. You can use text-based editing again. So if you don't want So You and you just want to go to when you're a master of your energy, just delete it with the delete button. Simple as that. And your clip will start here. This is auto-populated and ready to edit, making it super quick to get these made without manually making each clip and auto-reframing the guest or the host into the frame. This is done for you. You get time saved doing this. This is what you gain. You get social media clips. They're available immediately in the made for you section and you can publish straight away. Number 7 is the brand kit feature. This is amazing because you can go in on anything, whether it's a magic clip or something else, click into brand and you'll see here, we've got a logo uploaded for this podcast. We've got a color palette for this podcast, text styles for this podcast. So instantly we can apply the brand to this magic clip. Not only do we get the logo applied, but as we go through, we can even switch on captions and immediately get those branded captions in the right colors added to our magic clip. This is a major efficiency boost, especially since Descript has been noted for lacking the ability to save caption presets. So what you gain with this feature is instant on-brand application of your visual style to all clips and videos without having to customize and tweak things every time, which is laborious, let's face it. Number 8, we're going to look at smart layouts. Riverside's AI producer has smart layouts and it automatically edits your multi-track video switching the cameras. So you can see here in this magic clip, we've got both hosts on screen here, but over here, we can just move these captions around. It's not a worry. And we've got one presenter on screen, whereas over here, we've got another presenter on screen. And this is all done using AI. Okay, so whoever's speaking is actually displayed. And if both are going back and forth, we get a split screen. The automatic cutting functionality is really intuitive and reduces your overhead. You can actually go into layout and select something that you specifically want if you're going for a certain style, or just let the AI take care of it for you. What you gain is a professional looking multicam cut of your podcast, as if a human editor had actually made those switches, but making it quick and possible for you right after you stop recording. Number 9, and you may not know this, is onboarding with your guests and scheduling of calls. Riverside actually adds the ability to schedule right here. You can click here and say, I want a new session, and go in like that, and you can choose any date in the future. So we can go right the way through into the new year, choose a time, choose the time zone. We can invite people by email, add a description here, and also do things like add pre-recorded content, have audiences register if it's a webinar, and also send it out to live streaming destinations. So we can invite guests in advance to our virtual studio and be ready to enter it the moment we're ready to record. What do you gain? Well, you get easy guest scheduling with a tool that's built right in that, let's face it, you'd probably have to go to Calendly or something else or Google Calendar to do this, and that just gets messy. You can do it all right inside the Riverside interface. Number 10, platform focus. In summary, both platforms do offer text-based editing for video, and over the last few years, Descript has gone really heavy on the AI, such as AI video generation tools, while Riverside focused on developing both the AI tools as well as stability and usability and high-quality audio and video. So we've covered a lot of key transition points there, and here's the final takeaway. The move from Descript to Riverside is a strategic shift from editor-centric tool to a recording-first powerhouse. And crucially, Riverside acts as a true all-in-one platform. You get the native features like live streaming, dedicated mobile support as well, both for you and your guests, plus post-production time is really dramatically slashed by features such as magic clips that are made for you the moment you stop recording, instant social media repurposing right there, smart layouts to do the camera cuts without a human editor making them all for you. It automates everything with AI. And if you are considering switching, then make sure you use my link down below. It'll give you a free month to really test Riverside to the limit. And if you haven't already done so, you should definitely click subscribe, like this video, and YouTube is showing a video on your screen now you should watch next. Thanks.